Okay, do it
Three,
again. Do it
two,
again. Stop.
1. Vlogmas time is a swell time to come hang out with us. Ding 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 ding.
So today we are running some errands and hitting some workouts, and I got a request to do a lighter everyday makeup. So I'm going to show you guys a pretty light everyday makeup, and for starters I'm using this sunscreen again. Try to use sunscreen every day no matter how I do my makeup, and I love this one. Usually don't wear makeup when I'm working out. Obviously it's not the best for you, but we are filming today. Not that that matters either, because you guys see me looking like a sewer rat all the time, but I don't know, I just felt it was a good, I'm running errands too, I'm going to a nail appointment, so I thought it would be okay to be like decent looking. I'm not going to do foundation today. I'm just going to use concealer and blend it out everywhere. So I'm using the Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Nude, which is actually pretty close to my skin tone. So it's less of like a brightening concealer like I would normally use. And that's how I can kind of almost use it as a foundation and just blend it out everywhere. So I have like a rash or an allergic reaction or something on this under eye. Really red and itchy and so cute. Love it. Love that for me. Just taking a damp beauty blender, and like I said, I'm just gonna blend this out kind of everywhere just to conceal, obviously, and even out my skin tone kind of. So today we're gonna go to a yoga class, which yoga is not my forte. It's actually very hard for me because I have a lot of joint pain. So like doing anything on my wrists or knees really hurts. So yoga can be so challenging, but I like the idea of it, and I really like the girl who teaches this class. So it's before my favorite bar class. So we're just going and making the most out of the morning. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna use some of that Airspun powder again to just set that a bit, since I am a greasy girl. Like, look, my forehead is already shiny. We haven't even started the day. Kind of patting that everywhere. And I'm not baking, I'm just patting it into the concealer everywhere. Now I'm gonna do some things to my brows. Lately I've been using this Glossier Brow Flick. It's like a little fine-tipped pen that you can make hair-like strokes with. And I really like using it for like a fluffy brow look and not a super chiseled perfect brow. My mirror is really far away from me right now so that I can show you guys what this looks like when I do it. So we may end up with an interesting result. Okay. Then I'm gonna take Anastasia Beverly Hills little angled brush and some brow powder, and just kind of run that through the same way as so nothing too chiseled here, to really make my brows like very straight lines, very manicured, but this is a different vibe. Okay, then I'm going to take this spoolie on the other end of this brush and run it through my brows to sort of blend out the product, because it did get pretty harsh looking. Okay, that is what it is. Then I'm going to use Glossier Boy Brow to brush through and keep the actual hair, not the ones I drew, sticking up for that fluffy, messy, bushy brow look. This brow is turning out a lot better than this one. not much. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of bronzer and blush. So I'm gonna use the MAC Give Me Sun. And I'm just gonna use this to give my face some dimension and also warm it up because it currently looks like a pancake. Okay, then I'm gonna use some blush as well. This is in the shade Party by Tarte, and I'm gonna just kind of okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter. I'm using the Dior Glow Palette per usual in the top two shades. I'm just putting that where I normally would, and I feel like that just helps like really make it look like you did more than you did for your makeup and liven up your face. And then I'm just gonna put on a little bit of lipstick. This is in A La Rose by Laura Mercier, and it's pretty close to my normal skin. I mean my normal lips. I actually decided that was too pink for me, so I'm gonna mix in this nude lipstick by Rimmel London in the shade 113, and then what I always do, pat it off a bit. Done. We're on the road to Orange County. What else is new? I'm having hot lemon water like I do every morning. It's very, very good for you, so you guys should check it out. Just Google why you should drink hot lemon water if you want to learn why. Clayton is having evil, smelly black coffee.
The opposite. Hold on.
Oh god, this road is so bumpy. Oh god! We just caught air. Sorry about that. I don't think I showed you guys this on Vlogmas yet, but these Harmless Harvest vegan protein shakes are so freaking good. We just tried out this flavor toasted coconut, and I think it might be our new favorite. It's so yummy. These are a really easy, yummy, healthy breakfast. So brought those on the go, and we're gonna go hit a couple workout classes. So I'm about to go get my nails done at Pardon My French, and it's an OC, like everything in my life. So as you guys might know, if you follow me on Instagram, I have been loving the French manicure, and I've been doing it for a couple of weeks. It goes so well with everything, and it's so cute. So today I'm actually gonna switch it up probably and do something different because I've been doing this for a while. But last time I was here, I tried hard gel for the first time instead of dip, and I loved it. It lasts me about 3 weeks with no breaking. These are my real nails. This helps them be super strong, and with the hard gel you can do like more designs, so I'm kind of into that. And I'm gonna take you guys in and see what I get up to. So this is the finished product of my nails, alternating rhinestones on either edge. So cute. And then I just got nude, and I love this because it's still neutral, but it is a little bit festive. And then for today's 12 days of giveaway in this Vlogmas, I feel like that was a really weird way to word that. Okay, so in today's Vlogmas, the giveaway from 12 days of giveaways is actually going to be a gift card from Pardon My French, where I get my nails done. They have 2 locations, one in Laguna Niguel, I believe, and one in Tustin. So it is pretty much like OC based people, or if you live in the Los Angeles area like I do, but go to OC all the time, obviously that works too. We are going to be giving away a $100 gift card to Pardon My French, and you can use that towards any service you want. So they obviously do manis, pedi, they can do really cool designs. They do spray tans as well, and I think they might do waxing. So you can use it towards anything you want and get some glam nails like that. So the rules to enter this giveaway are pretty simple per usual. Follow myself on Instagram, follow Pardon My French on Instagram. I'll have both our handles here, and comment on this Vlogmas what you want to do to your nails, or what service you want to get, or something about the giveaway like that. And as always, extra points for sharing on your stories something about this Vlogmas or Vlogmas in general or whatever. I'll add you in one extra time, or each time you put those, I'll add you in an extra time for the giveaways. So, and per usual, the giveaway winner will be announced at the end of the month, so you can keep entering all month long until about like Christmas or so. So that's the scoop on today's giveaway and nails. I'm just really obsessed with these, so enjoy.